Did you lose access to your Instagram account? Or maybe you forgot your password, or even worse, got your account hacked and you don't even remember the password. Don't worry, in this video you will learn how to get your Instagram account back, even if you don't have your mobile phone or your email. All I want from you is to just do two things. First, grab a cup of coffee, cause you're awesome. And second, grab my 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide. That's absolutely free and you can get it in the description down below. There's no catch. To be honest, it will really help me out if you just like this video for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Okay, so I'm on Instagram right now, as you can see, and let's say that I don't remember my password. So the only thing I can actually do here is click on the forgotten password, and this is what we're doing. And in my case, my Instagram account is drniki.co. And when I click on next, I have two options: send an email, send an SMS message. I actually got so many DMs on Instagram from people saying, well, I don't know my email, or I forgot my, I put in a fake email, I don't have my phone with me, what can I do in this situation? Well, you just click need more help, right? And if you actually have it, you just get the option and get the security code. So we click I don't have access, I can't access this email or phone number. We click on that and look at this. Gotta submit a support ticket to get our account back, which is really helpful for Instagram, especially for people like us that don't remember any. So here we just have to write the email we used to create the account. If it's a fake one, you gotta remember it. Maybe search your inbox, ask a friend, you gotta remember this one. Then write in a contact email if it's different than this one, where they will answer your support request. If they want to give your account back, they'll send you the instructions there. What type of account are you trying to access? Is it a company or brand, personal account with photos of me, right? You gotta choose this one. What is the reason for this request? I forgot the email. Here it is. Here it's exactly for people like you. I can log into the email on my account. My account was hacked or other. And then write a very compelling story. When were you on the account last? From which cities? What happened? Who do you think hacked it? If you're suspecting someone, write all of these down here. Maybe old passwords, stuff like that. This would definitely help. And then just click on request support and wait for their email. And you know what? Let me shout you out. All I want from you is just comment your Instagram username down below and what your Instagram account is about, and I'll just shout you out in one of the next episodes. And we have a few shout out winners on this episode, and the first one is Vlado Tabram, who says, great one, a video about why the audience nationality is important. That's a really good idea, by the way. What do you think? The money rules, super important on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. Very good idea actually. From CPM to export page to niche, like this is a really good idea. Then we have J.V. Then we have Candy Squash XOXO, who is in the beauty, makeup and lifestyle niche. Lee commented on 2 videos, so I already shouted her out on my Instagram account. This is it for today's episode. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos. This one or this one.